everyone, it's Michelle from Noble Touch, and today we are going to make a lovely flower using this beautiful gnome wedding sign made by Mel's Crafty Mojo. This is a 6-inch sign that we're using, but it also comes in an 8-inch sign as well. So look at their site, the link underneath the description portion of the video. We're also using an 8-inch wire frame from Dollar Tree, and then we have the plastic canvas already attached inside. The mesh we're using is all 10-inch. We're using the white snowball, purple haze, the two-tone moss apple, green, and then the light blue and dark navy. You're going to need a ruler and some cutting tools, and then as well as the wood burner with the wide tip. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our mesh rolled out. We're going to cut it every 10 inches. And so you're going to follow the grid line down when you use the wood burner. Make sure you have a glass piece underneath so you're not melting your mat. And you don't want to jump the grid lines as you cut. So now what you're going to do is take your 10-inch piece of mesh, fold it so it's a triangle. And then you're going to take your ruler. And then you're just going to take your wood burning tool and of course cut down the length of the ruler, and that way you'll get 2 petals out of one 10-inch piece of mesh. So I'm going to finish cutting up all the mesh and we'll be back. Okay, so our mesh is all cut up, and now the side that is seared, we are going to just pinch that base like so, and then attach it with a zip tie to the frame on the outer rung. And we're going to do a pattern of the green, the purple haze, the dark blue, the white, and the light blue all the way around until we're done. Okay, so we're going to the second rung. So for the second row, we're going to do the navy, white, and light blue all the way around until we're done. So we're just attaching it with the zip ties to the second rung, and we'll be back. Okay, so we've preloaded some zip ties in the grid in the center there, and then we're just taking our navy and purple haze and we're going to alternate with them around the center. We're doing a total of 6 of each cut, so 12 of these petals total, and then once we're done, we'll add the center. Okay, so we're going to attach the sign. Now here I did drill 2 holes on each side of this sign and put a corresponding matching pipe cleaner through each side. And I'm just going to push this through the plastic canvas and then pull it down to secure it. But you can get this sign, which is adorable. It's a beautiful wedding gnome sign from Mel's Crafty Mojo. And I will post links to everything underneath the description portion of this tutorial, as well as how many cuts of each color I used as well, because I didn't keep track of that as I was making it. But I will count that up and put that underneath the description portion of the tutorial. I will also have all of my affiliate links under there. So if you like to purchase, you can use my affiliate link to Mel's Crafty Mojo, and it will be a 10% coupon link. If you spend $35 or more, you'll get 10% off at Mel's Crafty Mojo, as well as my Dollar Tree affiliate link will be posted in there as well. So thank you so much for joining me. Oh, this flower measures 22 inches around. So it's flat to go in between your storm door and your door. And it is a nice size flower. It's going to be inexpensive to ship, as it measures only 22 inches, but it's still beautiful. So thank you so much for joining me, and you guys have a great day.